This is Sangster International Airport.
Yeah man, greetings everyone, how wanna do? Still we again from Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Winter season is getting off to a good and early start this year. Airlines are making the adjustment necessary to meet the demand. In this video, we have United introducing Denver, Colorado as a non-stop flight to Jamaica. This is an inaugural flight, so expect a water salute from the crew here at MBJ Jamaica. Bless up on yourself and enjoy this one.
Delta 1800, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 070 degrees 16 knots.
Delta 1800, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Delta 120.8, airborne at 04.
Delta 1800, good day.
There's 273, landing for weight, runway 07.
Hey, runway 7, Southwest 273.
Two 73, cleared for takeoff 07, wind 080 degrees at 16 knots.
For Southwest 273.
Southwest 273, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 080 degrees 15 knots.
Runway 7, Southwest 273.
American 757, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, American 757.
Press 273, confirm squawking 6723.
6723, Southwest 273.
German Southwest 273, airborne 07, contact Sangster radar 120.8. 757, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees 16 knots.
Got American 760, 757. Point 8,
JetBlue 326, holding short runway 7 with Charlie, fully ready for departure.
326, Sangsters Tower, roger. Enter the runway via Charlie, backtrack into position, runway 07.
Enter via Charlie and backtrack in position, JetBlue 326.
0757, airborne 11. Contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
Tower 6 Yankee Juliet November Lima. We're holding short, runway 07 out Delta. We're fully ready in sequence.
November Lima, Sangster Tower, roger. November Lima, clear takeoff 07, intersection Delta, wind 080 degrees 16 knots.
Runway 07 via intersection Delta, copy the wind 6 Yankee Juliet November Lima.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, JetBlue 326.
Southwest 929 is ready at 07.
Southwest 929, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, Southwest 929.
Two 6 airborne 14, contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
120.8, JetBlue 326, have a good day.
Our Southwest 2481, 10 miles, runway 7.
2481, Sangster Tower, roger. Continue approach, runway 07.
Approach runway 07, Southwest 2481.
Southwest 929, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 090 degrees 17 knots.
Runway 7, Southwest 929.
Southwest 2481, cleared to land, runway 07, wind 080 degrees 19 knots.
Land runway 07, Southwest 2481.
So 929, you're born at 17, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
29 going 20.8, good day.
1682, Sanctus Tower, Roger, continue approach 07.
Continue.
So that's 2481, arrive 20, vacate next right and contact ground 121.7.
1217, Southwest 2481.
1682, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 18 knots.
And runway 07, Unit 1682.
R85, we are on the RSP, runway 7, approaching Los Angeles.
Wings 2985, Sanctus Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
Teenage Spurwings 2985.
United 1682, arrive 23, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121, correction, vacate on Alpha, contact ground 1217.
On Alpha and contact ground 121.7, United 1682, good day.
2985, clear to land 07, wind 070 degrees, 16 knots.
7 Spurwings 2985. JetBlue 479 is with you on the RNAV 07.
Blue 479, Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
07, JetBlue 479.
Wings 2985, arrive 28, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
217, 2985, see ya.